Okay, let's get started for math. Yesterday we were talking about writing numbers up to 120 using place value. So here we have our chart. We have our hundreds, tens, and ones. And we said that's groups of, so for example, in my hundreds, that's a group of 100 cubes. So if I were to count all of these, it would make a group of 100. So that's hundreds. This is a group of 10 cubes. And this is 1. This is 1. So we can use our place value to write numbers up to 120. Right now I have the number, so I have one group of 100. How many groups of 10? Only one group of 10. And how many ones? We have 1, 2, 3. So that makes the number 113. How do we read that? Cover this. You know what that number is, 13, and then just add 100. 113. Yesterday for the remainder of the lesson, you were working on 3 problems, and I told you I would give you the answer today. So let's look at number 2 on page 419 in your math book. Those are the ones that you worked on yesterday. So here we have our hundreds, tens, and ones. So you are gonna write this in numerical form. You're gonna write this in numbers. So how many groups of 100 do we have here? Well, I see one group of 100. How many groups of 10? One group of 10. And how many ones? We see 1. So if we put these together, the number we have is 111. 111. Let's look at number 3. So check your answers, boys and girls. If you got it right, you're gonna give yourself a check. Good job. If you didn't get it right, I want you to fix it. I want you to fix your problem. Fix your answer. Number 3. How many groups of 100? I see one group of 100. How many groups of 10? I see one group of 10. And how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So when we put that together, it makes the number 118. 118. Give yourself a check if you got it right. Okay, last one, number 4. How many groups of 100? I see one group of 100. How many tens? None. 0. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if I cover that up, what does that say? It doesn't say 90, it just says 9. So if I write this, it says 109. There are no tens, 109. Give yourself a check if you got it right. Okay, now for the rest of the lesson, we're gonna do a check my progress. This is on page 415 in your math book, 415. So if you need to pause to find that page, go ahead and pause. Okay, so this is a review of everything we've done so far in this chapter. So let's practice some of the skills that we learned already. Vocabulary check. Write the correct word and symbol. So we have greater than, less than, and equal to. So we have greater than Gigi, less than Lester, and equal to. So we have 16 is blank to 33. I'm gonna look at my hundreds chart here. 16 and 33. Which one's greater? The 16 up here or the 33 down here? I think 33 is bigger, and remember, only the alligator with the biggest number gets to eat. So only Lester's gonna eat. So the way we read this is "16 is less than 33. 16 is less than 33. Say that with me. 16 is less than 33. Let's look at number 2. 34 is blank 34. Well, 34 and 34. 34 and 34, it's the same number. So is it going to be greater than, less than, or equal to? They're equal to each other. So we're going to write equal to. And the symbol is this one. So we read it, 34 is equal to 34. 34 is equal to 34. Okay, 72 is blank to 70. 72 is blank to 70. 72 is over here, and 70. Which one comes first? The 70 comes first, so the 70 is smaller. 72 is bigger, so only the alligator with the bigger number gets to eat. So it's Gigi's turn to eat. Greater than Gigi. Greater than. So the way we read this is 72 is greater than 70. 72 is greater than 70. Okay, let's check number 4. It says, write the tens and ones, then write the numbers. Okay, it's kind of like what we were just doing right now. Here we have groups of 10 and here we have ones. How many groups of 10 do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 groups of 10, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 45. 45. Okay, for the next ones, I'm going to use my 100s chart. It says, write the number that is 10 more. So 10 more means we're going to add or subtract. It means we're going to add more. So 18, what's 10 more than 18? So if 18's right here, and we're going to add 10 more, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 more than 18 is 28. Ten more than 79. 79. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more than 79 is 89. What do you notice? Which number's changing? Ah, it's going from 7 to 8 because we're adding one more group of 10 to our tens place value. So 10 more than 79 is 89. Okay, this one we're gonna do without the chart, 11. If this is my tens and this is my ones, 10 more means I just put one more here. So instead of one group of 10, it becomes two groups of 10, and this number stays the same. So 10 more than 11 is 21. 10 more, let's check it. So if I was at 11, 10 more would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. You were right. Now we're gonna do 10 less. 10 less. That means minus. Less means we're gonna take away, right? So 10 less than 54. So we can do this with our numbers chart. So if I'm at 54, we're gonna count backwards 10. We're gonna take away 10. So we're gonna count the other way. 1, 2, 3, backwards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 less than 54 is 44. We took away 10. Now I'm going to show you 98 with this chart. Okay, that means 98 means I have how many groups of 10? 98 means I have 9 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. If I were to add up all of these squares, I would have 98. So I have 9 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Now if I'm doing 10 less, that means I'm going to take away 10. So I'm going to take away one group of 10. So how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups of 10 now. Did I do anything to this side? No, so that number stays the same. So 10 less than 98 is 88. Okay, let's do the next one. 40. 10 less than 40. Okay, the number 40 that means 4 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And no ones, nothing. So if I'm doing 10 less, I'm gonna take away 10. I'm gonna take away one group of 10. How many groups of 10 are left? 1, 2, 3. So that becomes a 3. Did I change anything on that side? No. So 10 less than 40 is 30. Alrighty, let's see. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more and then I'm gonna have you work on your own. So now we're gonna compare. We're gonna use greater than, Gigi, less than, Lester, or equal to. So we have 22 and 23. 22 and 23. Which one is bigger? These are the same. So there's 2 groups of 10 and 2 groups of 10 here. So they're the same. So now I'm gonna look at my one side. This one is a 2 and this one is a 3. So 2 and 3. Which one is bigger? 3 is bigger. So that means that 23 is gonna be my bigger number. So who gets to eat? Greater than Gigi or less than Lester? Let's see. Lester is eating the 23. Good, only the biggest number gets to be eaten, right? So we're gonna use Lester. So we say 22 is less than 23. Let's look at this one. 59 and 59. 59 and 59. Well, this one's the same as this one, but this one's the same as this one. So that means they're the same all around. So they're going to be equal to. 59 is equal to 59. Okay, boys and girls, I'm gonna do 2 more problems and then you're gonna be working on your own, okay? 13, 16, and 17. Which number is bigger? Which number is greater? Right, the 17 is greater. So which alligator is gonna get to eat? Not Gigi, because that number's smaller. Only the biggest number gets eaten. Lester gets to eat. So we're gonna say less than. 16 is less than 17. I want you to try 14, so circle these with me. You're gonna try 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 on your own. And then we're gonna do 19 together. Armando has 19 baseballs. Let's underline what we know. He has 19 baseballs. He has 10 more jacks than baseballs. 10 more. How many jacks does Armando have? He has 19 baseballs, but he has 10 more jacks. What does more mean? Are we gonna add or subtract? More means we're going to add. So 10 more. So you can do this 2 ways. You can add 10 more, or we can just look at the 19 and say, okay, this is one group of 10 and 9 ones. 10 more means I add one more group of 10. So that would be 19 is one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 19. 10 more means I add one more group of 10. So that becomes 2 groups of 10 and 9 ones. 29. So this went from a 1 to a 2, and the 9, we just brought it down. 29 jacks. 10 more means we just add one more group of 10. 10 more. Okay, you can go ahead and try number 20 if you want to, but you don't have to. I do want you to try 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 on your own, okay? Good luck, and then we'll check our answers tomorrow.